Hi guys, welcome to Mechanic on Duty. We are here right now guys in this machine. This is Focusite. I will show you guys what is the problem. This one, this shafting. Look, as you can see guys, there's a problem. Now, this one. We are going to remove this one and repair the shaft. Now guys, this one guys. This is now the drive shaft guys. Look, now we're going to repair this one and let's see what happened. We're going to use sandpaper and this one. We are going to remove this one also, and then we're going to finish. Look. Okay guys, we're going to clean this one and also repair this one. guys, now it's clean. Okay guys, this is now the shafting. Look, I think this is okay. Okay, good. It's smooth. Now we're going to mount it back. We're going to mount all the parts. We're going to mount this one also. And then the shafting, and then all the accessories, and then testing. Okay.